I'm Subashini Natarajan. I'm an architect and an educator. I've been practicing architecture for past 11 years and I have worked both in commercial as well as residential projects, both in interior and architectural design sector. I've been collaborated with DOT Spatial Design Department for past 2 years now. Spatial design. Spatial design is a contemporary terminology given to an innovative interdisciplinary program which emphasizes on user experience, particularly in a particular space, especially when it concerns to interior environment, and it pertains to both private spaces as well as public spaces. For example, it not only involves designing residential spaces but also public spaces like parks, walkways, anything can be taken into consideration in spatial design. As you know, a small part in a balcony, a sofa in a living area, or even some suggest toilets. It's only a particular place in your home is always your favorite. Have you ever been curious why this particular space is your favorite than the rest of the place? Most of us would answer because this space is more comfortable than rest of the place, or some such as I'm emotionally attached to the space, or this space is more connected to nature. So why can't we make all the spaces as intimate as your favorite place? Have you ever thought about creating all the space intimate? Yes, as a spatial designer, you are expected to create spaces which are intimate. A spatial designer, you are expected to design a space, entire space in a house to be an user's favorite. That space is intimate to the user at all levels. So basically, you are working inside out, thinking about how a space feel, and you organize it, execute it to enrich a user experience. And spatial design is not about designing new spaces, but also improving already existing spaces, by changing uncomfortable unused spaces into more meaningful one. The best example would be renovations of warehouses into a restaurant, or a public demonstration center. It's very quite common these days, where old houses are changed into a brand merchandise. So, as a part of spatial design syllabus in DOT, you would be learning fundamentals of design and design thinking, along with technical foundation related to mechanical services as well as civil structures. Further into the studies, you will be learning about furniture designs, color, lighting concepts, and finally, you will be trained in interior project management, which will enable you to handle a project from start to end, as well as managing people in the site.